What's up, guys? Today we're making this special video just for you Barflies. You guys are the inner sanctum of our fan base, and we really wanted to share some hopefully interesting, very exciting news with you. As I have leaked out a lot of times over the last year or so, Marius and I have been really wanting to make travel content and kind of start some new stuff for the educated Barfly and really take our content to kind of the next level. It's something that the idea for it even predated anything that we did on YouTube. And we're really excited that we're finally going to be being able to do this. So, we started putting all of these pieces together before COVID, then COVID happened and it completely wrecked any chance of traveling anywhere, as you guys know. And so we've been sitting on our hands for about a year. But in that time, we've really been planning and really talking about it and kind of refining what we want to do. And we're finally going to be able to start doing this. And that means that there are going to be changes to the YouTube memberships tiers and also to the Patreon membership tiers. Okay, so here's how the tiers are going to work. The very, very small tiers are just going to stay the same. It's the $20 tier where things are going to be added. What's good about this whole thing is that we're actually not taking anything away from the tiers. We're just adding more stuff to it. So in the $20 tier, you're still going to get the same content that you got before, but we're going to add travel videos to those, and you're going to see those ahead of time, and also obviously commercial free. But then on top of that, we also want to do a Barfly behind the scenes called Barfly BTS, where we do kind of a more vlog style approach to our travels and the hot water that we get into, the hijinks that ensue. That'll all go to the $20 tier. The $50 tier, you're still going to have your cocktail class every month, but on top of that, we're going to use it as a travel fund, and then we're going to add a $100 tier, which will also be a travel fund for those people who just want to contribute a little bit more or feel that they can contribute a little bit more. That tier is something that you can do once. You can just do it for 1 month, or you can do it for multiple months. It's really up to you. That is just going to be our travel fund tier. And, there's just a couple of different ways that we can go about this when we go and make travel content, which I promise you guys are going to really, really like. We can partner up with brands, but then we're going to be beholden to a brand and we're going to have to do more things. And if we learned anything on YouTube over the last 3 years, it's just that branded stuff just does not really float that well with the average viewer. And we would really like to not have to partner with brands all the time. We have to do it sometimes so that we can really afford to do the things that our ambition kind of takes us to, but we really don't want to do that very much. And so the other way that we can do that is just sort of raise the money to do it. And we figured that Patreon would be a really great place because you guys are so invested in the content that we make, and we're really appreciative of all the help. Then we're adding another tier, just like a ridiculous tier. A ludicrous tier. We're adding a $1,000 tier. I'm not sure if anyone's going to sub it. Hopefully somebody will. But in that $1,000 tier, the perk is pretty cool. If you sub the $1,000 tier and you are in the continental United States, we will come to you and film a video with you wherever you are. We're really going to just break even on the tier because that $1,000 is literally just pay for our airfare somewhere. But we think that that would be a lot of fun. It would be a kind of a cool way to connect with fans. Other ideas that we're floating is doing some meetups with you guys when we're in different cities. We're going to be talking about that a little bit in the future. It's just something that we need to think through and build out. But we are really, really interested in all of your comments and feedback that we can get from you guys so that we can really cater to what you guys really want to see, because that's what this is all about. I think we went over all of it, right, Marius? Yeah. I think all the different tiers and everything. So if you guys like this idea, we're really interested in all your feedback, and we really, really want to hear from you. So please see us in the comments below, and I'll see you guys on another time.